Hi there everyone, and welcome back to BRM Driving School. Hope you're all doing alright. Now this could be some big news here. Maybe key worker driving tests could be coming back soon. On the ADI National Joint Council's website, they've released a statement where the DVSA are saying that they're going to allow critical worker driving tests for those that are in the NHS and would need a license to do their job, pretty much. So I'll read out what I've got here. Do forgive any reading mistakes or anything like that, because I am dyslexic, and I'll leave a link in the description to this article. So it says, the following has been received from the DVSA regarding to a limited service for key workers. Please read it carefully. The DVSA is working with its theory test provider, Pearson VUE, to respond to the requests for theory tests from organisations such as the ambulance authorities on behalf of frontline mobile emergency workers who require a driving licence to carry out duties in their employment role. The DVSA will also respond to requests for practical driving tests from organisations on behalf of frontline mobile emergency workers who require a driving licence to carry out duties in their employment roles. This is a limited service subject to examiner's resource and is restricted to candidates working in health and social care. So that's, if you're in those sectors, this could be big news for you if you're requiring a driving test as part of your job. And other public bodies involved in work responding to threats to life, such as environmental agency, flood rescue staff, or local authority gritter truck drivers. The DVSA will contact NHS Trust to explain how to nominate candidates. Candidates cannot apply themselves. So that would be a big change from before, because before you would apply, you would send proof of you being a key worker, and then they would look through it and either accept or decline you. Now it has to be the NHS Trust who nominate the candidates. So maybe if there are key worker tests, maybe it could be your employer that nominates you rather than you apply yourself and they contact your employer. Applications from other organisations will be considered if mobile emergency worker criteria is met. Approved driving instructors and trainers can return to work only for the purpose of supporting a mobile emergency worker with a test booked. So that's the key bit. So if you're a driving instructor, if you do have one of these candidates, maybe that might be something to keep us going for a little bit. Or maybe if you are one of these candidates, you could potentially be allowed to do a driving test in the very near future if you are one of these critical workers. Does that mean key worker driving tests could come back? We don't know yet. There's going to be plenty of speculation on that. So definitely subscribe to the channel, hit the thumbs up. If there's any more news regarding this, I'll keep you updated in the comments. As I said, I'll leave a link to this article in the description, so if you want to read it yourself, feel free to read it yourself. But in terms of going forward, I'll probably do an update on this channel in the next week or so, what's been going on and what the plan will be going forward. But for now, I'll see you all again soon, and take care.